Hello, my name is Megan Schlickman. I'm the owner of Nexus Financial, and I help small businesses with their bookkeeping, accounting, and taxes. And today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to get some information from Wave to upload it up into QuickBooks. QuickBooks is my preferred accounting software, and I'm working with this client to make the conversion. Now, Wave has a few options for data export when you go into their business settings inside your Wave account, but it doesn't give you the option to download a CSV file for everything that you might need. For example, products and services is not an option, as well as downloading the invoices in CSV file, and I need that information over into QuickBooks. So this is how we're going to do it. First off, you need a Google account, so a Gmail account. Get that set up so that you have access to Google Sheets. What this is going to do, we're going to add an extension onto our Google Sheets. We're going to download the data from Wave, and then we can save our Google Sheets as a CSV file and upload it into QuickBooks. All right, so once you have a blank Google Sheet open, I need you to head on over to your Google Workspace Marketplace. From here, whether you search it in the apps here or search it in Google, I need you to search for Wave Connect, and this is the logo that it will match, and it should just say Wave Connect. Pretty easy to find, but just as a reminder, it's not a Chrome extension, it's a Google Workspace Marketplace download here. Once you have Wave Connect, I went ahead and just did a local install. I didn't need an admin install since everybody on my Google domain does not need access to Wave Connect. If you choose this, that's going to download it for everybody in your Google domain that shares your same ending email address. All right, so I followed prompts to install it. I'm going to drop in a link into the description box since I've already installed it so that you can see the full process of what it's like to install. That link should share some screenshots to verify that you installed it correctly, but go ahead and follow the prompts that says yes, have access to my Google Sheets, and allow it to finish its install. Once it is installed, you'll head back to your Google Sheets, and from here we are going to go to our extensions. From our extensions, you should have an option for Wave Connect. The first time you install it, it's likely going to ask you to log into Wave. And so just that it's making sure that it's connecting the right Wave account to the right Google Sheet. And again, reference that article that's in the description below. It may share some additional screenshots, and within that screenshot, it'll show you how to get to this step. From Wave Connect, I want to enable for this sheet, and it should give me a prompt that it was successfully enabled. And then back at extensions, we are going to hover over Wave Connect again. Now we have some options here. Download is going to pull information from Wave into this Google Sheet, which is what I want. Upload would be if you have a lot of information in your Google Sheet that you want to upload into Wave. That is not the direction we're flowing. Instead, I want to download over from Wave. The main things I'm needing to download, because it didn't do it in a data export, is going to be invoices and products. So I'm going to start over here with products. Over on the right-hand side, it should give you some information. The first box, I just want you to double check that you're working with the right business. If your Wave account has multiple businesses in it, you can follow this drop-down box to navigate to the right business. From here on the fields, we can select what we want to bring in. So I want to bring in the product name, the price, the description, is sold, and the income account if you use multiple income accounts. I don't need the expense account because all of these are going to be service-based products for this business. But if you want to pull that in, you can choose what all you need to be pulled in, as well as sales tax. Again, this client doesn't do sales tax, so I don't need this information pulled in, and that looks about right. I don't need anything from filters, but if you are wanting to choose a date, maybe that's just for 2025 or the calendar you're working in, that's fine, but I don't need any filters in here. And then go ahead and select download products. All right, and after a few minutes of uploading, it should upload all your products here. It's going to have the product name, the price for the service or product, the description, and so forth. So once this is uploaded, now we can go to File, and under here we want to download it as CSV file, comma separated value. Once it's downloaded, navigate over to QuickBooks to your products and services section, and it will prompt you if you want to upload from a CSV file. Go ahead and upload it, and that is how you do the conversion. If you need to continue continue on, feel free to start a new Google Sheet to upload your invoices into and send that over into QuickBooks. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My email will be in the description link below, and I'd be happy to help you with your conversion over into Wave. If you're also looking for a bookkeeper or tax preparer to handle this on your behalf and you do not have time to handle this, please reach out. This is what we do. I love working with clients and organizing your financials for you, and I'd be happy to do so. All right, I'll talk to you soon.